Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I want to do is share a really interesting article where experienced crypto traders share their plans for the coming crypto bull run to come. So I'm going to run through this article because I think it's going to help you to prepare for the crypto bull run. I'm also going to sort of run over what's happening in the crypto market in terms of prices. And yeah, that's what's going to be happening in today's video. So if you like the video, why not like it, why not subscribe to the channel to get more information like this. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So yeah, millions of new crypto investors could be experiencing their very first crypto bull run soon. And those who've been through it share their plans of how they're going to tackle it. And before I go into this, if you're thinking about buying crypto now, and alright, nothing in this video should be taken as investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just a crypto enthusiast who's tried to, I invest in crypto myself, and I just enjoy sharing these videos with anyone who's interested in crypto. But yeah, so don't take anything as financial advice. But it's really important to have a strategy when investing in crypto, rather than just wildly buying dozens of cryptos that you know nothing about. And I think this is why this article will help you. So it says with more than 130 million people, it's estimated to be introduced to cryptocurrency since the end of 2021. Millions of investors could soon be looking at their first crypto bull run, with some suggesting it could come as early as 2024, which I believe will happen. It'll probably happen. There's a couple of triggers. I think if BlackRock gets its Bitcoin ETF approved, that could trigger it because billions of dollars will flow into Bitcoin and crypto. But I think another trigger could well be Bitcoin's halving, which is going to be happening next April or May. So I think it's definitely going to be coming in 2024, and it's going to be crazy. So it says those who are new to crypto should be aware that the bull market is like anything else you've ever experienced, according to Ben Simpson, founder of crypto education platform Collective Shift. It's complete and utter chaos. It's just a tornado. So yeah, it's just, Cointelegraph basically spoke to a couple of hedge fund managers that head up the digital asset companies and other traders to get their opinions of what it's like. So it says it's get in, get out. Simpson said one of the biggest mistakes that new crypto traders make is holding onto their crypto bags too long, most often caused by getting caught up in the euphoria that they can make more. It says here, my first cycle, I didn't have a plan. I rode it up and rode it all the way back down in 2017. I'm assuming he lost the majority, if not all, of his profits. So with the crypto bull run, what happens is there's usually a massive event or a couple of events leading up to it that just cause billions, hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars to flow into Bitcoin and crypto. And this means that obviously prices go absolutely crazy. They go pretty much vertical. Silly money's made pretty much overnight. And the prices just go keep up and up and up. And the problem is you can get caught up in the euphoria, just listening to people just sort of saying, oh, this coin's making 1,000% overnight, and you just invest in dozens of coins you know nothing about because you just, you get FOMO, fear of losing out. You buy all these coins, you get greedy, you just hold and then all of a sudden, the smart investor decide to leave, billions pour out, and the market pretty much nosedives, and if you're not careful, you will lose all of your money. So I think really one of the big ideas at the moment is to have a plan. Have a plan really of when you want to, of how much you want to make, and when you want to come up, when you want to get out when the crypto market comes. Because if you have no plan, you're at risk of losing all of the gains you make if you invest in crypto. So yeah. So it says Simpson said it could be helpful for investors and traders to write down a clear investment goal and understand what assets are in their portfolios with a hard sell set price each one. So say, for example, you put $1,000. This isn't advice, but just say, for example, you put $1,000 into Bitcoin, and you buy Bitcoin, say for argument's sake, at 30,000. You need to have a clear price of when you want to, sell Bitcoin at. So if Bitcoin goes up to 90,000, you 3x your money, and you write that down, you need to sell at that price, even if Bitcoin goes up and up and up. So you need to, for all of your investments, you need to have a clear price goal in mind that you're prepared to sell at, so you don't lose your profits. And here's an interesting quote from Ben Simpson. There are literally tumbleweeds rolling across crypto right now. Well, that's not quite the case, because after this was posted, crypto market crashed. But no engagement, no price movement, no interest, no investments. I suspect a big move is coming soon, which it did, because the crypto market crashed. But we've actually gone very flat again, which I'll cover in a minute. On the same note, CoinShares head of research James Butterfield told Cointelegraph that dollar cost averaging periodic small asset purchases or holding sales could mitigate the volatility of cryptocurrencies, whether it's a bull or bear market. But as we know, with a bull market, money sort of flows in, but it's not, if you're a small investor, it's not a bad idea just putting a set amount away into your favorite crypto investments each month, so you can slowly build up your portfolio rather than just shoving a load of money in and just hoping for the best. He's saying avoid meme coins. CK Zen, co-founder and chief investment officer of hedge fund manager ZX Squared Capital, recommends that investors look into more well-established and recognized cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether, which I kind of agree with, because Bitcoin and ETH aren't going anywhere. In fact, I think in the next crypto bull run, Bitcoin could quite easily 3 to maybe even 5x, and Ethereum could easily 3 to 5x. In fact, Ether could maybe even 10x. That is an investment advice. I'm not 100% sure, but I think Bitcoin's probably heading for 100,000, and ETH is probably heading for 10 to 12,000 maybe, but we'll see. But Butterfield argued Bitcoin behaves similarly to other alternative assets and has remarkable diversification benefits, surpassing assets like gold, commodities, or real estate. So meanwhile, Derek Graham, founder of crypto hedge fund portal AM, said to consider balancing investments between speculative and mature cryptocurrencies. Graham added, breaking down investment sectors such as layers 2s or the metaverse, and choose related tokens while avoiding those with little or no practical use. He says consider tokenomics, dev team track record, investors coming in and leaving, community size, market momentum, and liquidity. So basically what he's saying here is, pick your layer 1 coins. What I mean by layer 1s are the big ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So that's probably where you want most of your portfolio. Then, you invest in smaller layer 2s. But the thing is, this is the thing. You want to invest in crypto coins that are basically, they're solving a real problem. They've got a strong development team. They've got a big community behind them. They've got good tokenomics, coin tokenomics. Got market momentum. They've got liquidity. And, you've got whale investors, buying. So you really need to do your research. So if, say if you're looking at a smaller coin or project that has interest, if it's got a strong development team with a track record, if it's solving a real world problem, they're trying to build a business off it, solve a big problem, they've got a big passionate community, they've got healthy tokenomics, they've got market momentum and liquidity, then that's probably going to be a coin that you can speculate on. But obviously the smaller projects, you don't want to put the house on them, because whilst they can see crazy raises, they can see falls. So with the Bitcoins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, they're going to be safer investments. They're not going anywhere. Whilst, yes, they do fall, they're not going anywhere. They're only going to go up over time. So that's probably where you want most of your money. But then you can have your speculative coins, smaller ones. where you can put small amounts of money, and you can just treat them as moonshots. And if they go up by 30,000%, then you're gonna earn big. But if they do nothing or crash, then you haven't lost your money. So here it says, find the theme. Matrix Port, head of research and Crypto Titans author Marcus Thielens told Cointelegraph that Bitcoin has always hit a new high in a booming market, but added new themes, drive new bull market, supporting the idea of investing in new cryptocurrencies instead of those from the previous bull run. And here's a quote. I spoke to a guy the other day that has 80 altcoins in his portfolio. There's no way an individual investor can stay across and know exactly what 80 different coins are doing at any one time. So that's important. You don't want a huge portfolio of dozens of different coins. What you probably want to do is have a portfolio of maybe 5 to 10 coins max that you believe in. You'll have your main ones that you want to invest in that you believe in, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Again, not financial advice, but I'm just making this an example. Have your top coins that are really solid. And then you want to invest in your smaller coins, such as any AI coins or metaverse coins or anything like that you think are moonshots, where you put a small amount of money in, but if they take off, you're going to earn really good gains. So that's, don't be the person who invests in dozens and dozens of coins, but you can't, because you're not going to be able to do effective research and all those unless you're going to hide under a rock for the next couple of months. And there's no way you can manage that portfolio effectively on your own. And if a market crashes, try to sell 80 different coins, it's just going to be a nightmare. So don't be that person. Have 5 to 10 solid coins or thereabouts in your portfolio that you can get in and out and manage easily. Here's another piece of advice. Investing $1,000 into 4 crypto assets rather than $100 into 40 crypto assets. With a second strategy, you're spreading yourself too thin for a low chance of exceeding. And you have no idea what any of those 40 coins actually do, which means you're not making logical decisions. Good point. So, again, this isn't financial advice, just an example. You're better off putting money into 4 crypto assets than $100 into 40 crypto assets, because if you're going to invest in 40 crypto assets, you're probably just taking the advice of some randomer on the internet who may happen to make good gains overnight. And, trying to manage a portfolio of 40 crypto assets on your own is going to be really tough. So, again, like I said, you're better off, buying 5 to 10 coins that you really believe in and you think you're going to do well, and just, put money into them. Also, another thing is, don't use a leverage position such as debt, because if the market goes against you, that isn't going to be good, because not only are you going to lose out, you're going to have to pay off the debt you used to buy those coin positions. And there we go. I thought it was a really interesting article. I think there's very solid and wise advice in there. So the takeaways from you in this article is, when the crypto bull run comes around, it's going to come fast, it's going to come hard, it's going to be unexpected, it's going to be off the back of a big event. So you want to, really, if you're going to be prepared for the crypto bull run, now's the time to start getting into your positions. Again, not financial advice, but if you want to benefit, now is the time to get in when prices aren't really doing a lot. And, we've just come off the back of a crash. Also, choose your 5 to 10 coins you believe in, put your money in those, and just sit patiently for the crypto bull run. You can do dollar cost averaging, or you can put a set amount in for your coins. Also, for each of those coins, put a hard stop price on. If that price gets exceeded, then you basically sell those coins so you make your profits. If you've got no sort of hard stop or price you're willing to sell at, then you could potentially lose your money because you have no idea, you've got no plan in place to sell. So just don't get greedy is what I'm saying, and just follow the market up for it to crash under you and you lose all of your profits. So hopefully this article and this bit of advice has been helpful for you preparing for the next crypto bull run. Also, exciting bit of news. I've launched my own blog website. It's all about crypto and investing, and the big idea for this is really to bring you the latest crypto news and basically, education in crypto. It's got a couple of articles on the moment, but I'm going to be adding new ones every week. I've also got a crypto newsletter that I've just pretty much launched called the Crypto Insider Newsletter, which basically I'm going to be sending out every Monday. I'm going to be doing a market roundup, and you get notified of any new posts that come out, and I'll be doing a little analysis every week. So if you want to check out the website or sign up for Crypto Insider Newsletter, just come to the investment, come to my website. I'll link to it down below in the description, but it's basically investmentofadecade.com, and yeah, check it out. It's going to be new stuff coming on it every week, and yeah, I've got a free crypto newsletter, so why not check that out? Also, what I'm going to do now is just give a quick market roundup. So yeah, after the crash, we're pretty much flat. Bitcoin's only gone down marginally over the past 7 days. 39%, it's up 0.19% today. Sitting at just under 26,000. Ethereum is pretty much the same, down 1.23% over the past 7 days. Today it's up 0.71%, sitting at just below 1,650. So the crypto market is pretty flat at the moment. I think the rest of the year is going to be pretty volatile. I think we could see not only prices of crypto go up, it can come down as well on the back of news events or any further interest rate rises. So I think 2023, the rest of the year, it's going to be quite volatile, quite rocky, but crypto bull run is going to be expected at some point in 2024. Do not miss out on Bitcoin's halving in April, May 2024. And also keep an eye out for the news of BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF fund being approved by the SEC. If that gets approved, billions of dollars is going to flow in, and that is going to just explode the price of Bitcoin and other crypto coins most likely, as well as billions flow into Bitcoin and the crypto market. So keep an eye out for that as well. So last thing I'll say, if you want to invest in crypto and you want extra advice, I can highly recommend Tickets Worries. Palm Beach Letter. I've been a member for 18 months. I love it. He's got a crypto master course in there. He's got dozens of special reports of talking about different crypto investments and other investments that will help you protect and grow your wealth. And also he's telling you how to opt out of a digital dollar, which you can do before September 20th. So if you want to get all of these special reports, his crypto master course and any other crypto investments he recommends, you can join the Palm Beach Letter for just $49, 75% off the normal price. What I'll do is I'll link for this down below in the description and the comment below. So if you want to check it out, you can do. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. If you enjoyed the video, want to like the video, want to subscribe to the channel to get more info like this. So thanks very much for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.